Look, it's just...
Tablet in. Nope.
So then you put the tablets in.
And then the vinegar's there.
No,
you
can't put it. Did you not just hear me explain why it can't go in with the vinegar?
Why can't it go in the vinegar?
Because it'll have a reaction with the vinegar.
Yeah, that's the idea. And then it'll explode like the volcano's supposed to. What are you doing that for?
This is the vinegar.
Yes.
Let's just get this in.
It's red.
It doesn't smell like it.
Because I've got red food. Put more in, quick. You've got to go quicker. Yeah, because you poured it in slowly. Now it's going to be a sad little volcano.
See, exactly. But
Pour it fast.
Yeah, I didn't even saw it totally missed.
Just put it.
Don't put lots, put like a little bit in, because I put too much in last time.
I don't
no,
think
you
I think
put
it was
too much
big.
bicarbonate of soda.
Should I do that? Should I put this in first?
On.
Well, I think that's what we said.
Yeah, put that in and then we'll see what happens when we... Well, you need more vinegar than just a capful.
Yeah,
You've
I'm
got more
gonna
baking
put
soda.
2.
You have to get
Well,
this
you're gonna,
in
by the time you put one in, it's gonna start going.
Yeah, that's dumb.
We have to cover
Ooh,
it
I'll
so
put
the
like
oxygen
half
gets-
a beaker. So I'll pour this away.
No, because we need more water for later.
Then we'll put more in.
That's a waste of water.
All them people. We had a whole assembly at school about water. It was quite fun.
Hold that.
You forgot a word, but okay.
What are you doing?
What? Because of you? Yeah.
That's so...
That well, the food colour didn't work that time, so
That is actually very sad. I thought
it's all right. It's exploded more than it did before.
No,
Right.
that just stinks.
The vinegar has to be with the food colour in there. That's the only way it's gonna colour.
Vinegar? Who's the bit?
Oh, it smells.
Disgusting. I hate vinegar, mate. See if I can stand it.
Who likes the smell of vinegar? But
It's kind of bad.
you're weird. You eat food off the ground, so you'll say anything. Nice.
Right.
Who
Okay.
wants to clean it up?
Not me. I just tried to clean
Right,
it
did
before
you even
broke it.
film it?
Yeah, I think.
Yes. Yeah, I think.
Well, it says 1 minute 40 something.
Right.
Do you want to be in the next?
Wait a sec. Is there nobody wearing gloves?
Actually, no, I don't know who's touched them. I'm getting it. We'll use one to see some plastic.
Anyway.
Do I have to stand?
Yes.
Yay.
Oh no.